Come on in, welcome to my home, happy Christmas Eve. Guess what? This isn't going to be your normal video. What I'm going to do for Christmas Eve this year is I am going to just give you the sights and sounds of Christmas. Some videos showing how my house looks, things around which will give you that Christmas feeling, and we're going to go from there. So sit back, relax, and hopefully you will enjoy the sights and sounds of my Christmas. I hope you enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun to do. I know I enjoyed just relaxing, listening to the music, and enjoying a nice Christmas Eve. I hope your Christmas Eve goes wonderfully. Let me know down in the comments what you're doing, and I hope I get to see you the next time you stop by.